your host, the multi-talented, the master of ceremonies for the third time running. A round of applause for Mr. Kojo!
Okay, all right. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to officially welcome you to the Pan-African Singing Association 3rd Annual Africa Night! My name, for those of you that don't know me, is Manza here, but you can just call me Kojo. So, let's start off the show. Wait a second. You guys know I'm okay by myself? I usually have a co-host, right? And she's usually very beautiful, if I might add. I do have a co-host. Her name is Manza, and she thought my intro was kind of lame and didn't want to come out to that same introductory or whatnot. She wanted her own special. So there's a very special song she likes that she wants me to sing. But I would rather not. So maybe if you guys are loud enough, she'll come out. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together and welcome my co-host, very loud, Manza Agobi. Let's try this again. Manza, that was great. Where are you? I want to come out to that dancing. Ladies and gentlemen, Manza Agobi! I'm going to come down to this, okay? Disclosure, I am not a singer. This is a song called Ibiniba. It's by a Ghanaian version of R&B type duels. It's called like highlights, is what we call it. It's called Ibiniba, and it kind of translates to a beautiful black man's daughter. Really? It sounds much better than it actually is. So, Manza, this is for you, and I hope this works.
From a distance, I saw that this pretty lady coming. This is what I want there. Chini me wanna be low. Body this here and it tremendous. Oh, baby, wow, baby, baby. Hey, she's an African beauty. You'll be really my don't break my heart up. And I promise my own mind to be faithful to my lover.
Ladies and gentlemen, Manza Agobi.
I didn't think you were going to do it.
I mean, with all that noise, I shouldn't have done that.
Wow. Well, I'm excited to be here. Look at
Can we
this
get some
crowd.
applause for that, please?
Yeah. This is amazing. Wow. Well, I'm thrilled to be here, and I'm thrilled to be a co-host.
I am so excited to have you, Manza. I mean, I don't think I've ever had a boring co-host, and you and we're gonna kill it tonight.
Tough act to follow, but
You got
we
this.
tried.
You got this.
Well, welcome to African Night 2014 from me and the rest of the PANASA members. It's no coincidence that this year our theme is Africa Rising. This was featured by Time Magazine and The Economist as the theme back in 2011, and it celebrated the continent's enthusiasm for development and potential for economic growth. In that same light, as Kojo said, PANASA is also moving in that direction. Since its inception 4 years ago, it started with just about, less than 10 students.
Our first student organization meeting had about less than 10 people in there. In about a month, it went to 50. That's how many Africans you didn't know about.
I've seen the program this year. I usually participate as a dancer, but this year I didn't, and I saw the program. It is mind-blowing. It's just going to top off last year's performance. Okay?
No doubt about that.
Well, so let's just say we're going to get started.
Are you guys ready? Yeah. You guys are picking up quick. Are you ready?